Maybe I'm not the right person to talk about it, but believe me, you may feel better. Mental health is important. I've learned a few things in my life. Let me share it to you. Mental health of a person can be affected by smallest of the things which ever happens to them. May it be body shaming, may it be harassment, bullying, relationships, grades, whatsoever. You never know when anxiety strikes, isn't it? It's just that it does. It's not the normal pressure or stress which you feel sometimes. It's something which cannot be exactly described but can be felt. It gets worse by listening to words like being over dramatic or everything will be fine one day. That is what people say, isn't it? You are being over dramatic, you are emphasizing it, you just need attention and things like that. Let me share a story to you. When my friend was in ninth grade, a few things happened to her. Actually, multiple things. The first thing which affected her was her friends, her group of friends which she had. She felt bullied. She felt as if she was not so cool as them. She felt as if she did not deserve to be what she was. Her friends did not discourage her but made her feel pity. Felt ashamed. You're fat, mad, moti, pagal. She did not want to lose her friends, so she tried hard to become what they were like. She tried to lose weight, she tried to gain the momentum, she tried to be what they were like, but she never tried to be what she was. In between this journey, she fell for somebody. She tried hard again to not lose that person, but she could not even talk to him just because she did not have confidence. Then she tried to focus on studies, but again could not. When she got less grades, she was bullied. When got taunted. She always faced this struggle throughout a year. She really did not know if she had anxiety or she was just being overdramatic. She did not know what was happening to her. She was not able to do anything which she wanted to. But then a period of her life came when she could heal. The lockdown period, as we all call it as. She was alone. She cried for them and cried for him. But slowly she healed with time. Things get better. It's just that you need the right person, isn't it? And that right person may not be the person who is besides you or the person you are living with. Not your friends, not your relatives, but it can be you. If you treat yourself well, if you understand the fact that you have to be what you are, just because nobody can be newer than you, then you can heal. कुछ पेड़ की छाँव जैसा, कुछ बहते पानी में नाव जैसा, कुछ डूबते को किनारे जैसा, कुछ तुम्हें भाई वैसा. Contact to a psychiatrist or a psychologist if you feel nobody is there. Never let it be inside you. Trust me, express yourself, but tell it to the right person. Let everybody know that mental illness, anxiety, or depression are not to be taken as a joke. It's real and unfortunately it is. Share and never give up. Keep up the hope. Sometimes it might be just a normal stress which you can heal with. Sometimes it can be long term, but being with the right people and treating yourself well can heal too. You can just perform various tasks, start exercising, meditating. These are the advices which everybody gives, isn't it? But what I would say from my side is just treat yourself well. Never just think that you are worse, you are not worth it, you are not the right person, you don't deserve to be in this world. Never give up. Go on with the flow. Enjoy yourself. The first priority than anything is you, and your priority is you only.